It's Raptor back with another video. My fan's running, so I hope that doesn't bother anybody. But today, I'm going to show you how to fix a picture that you put a PSD on and it don't match what the PSD preview thing was. Anyway, so I'm showing you the PSD I'm using. It's one of mine. It's haunted. When I toggle this on, you see it looks choppy as fuck. So we're going to fix that. The picture already has noise, but if you didn't have noise and you click the layer with the picture, then you go to filter, noise, and add noise, and then whatever percentage you wanted. Then that half circle, color balance, and now I'm just cycling through the sliders. And you can do this once and be one and done, but I go through a couple other steps just to fix it to my liking. Now say you get to a point where the skin tone is too red, but you want to keep a bit of the redness, but not too much of it. You don't want to over red it. Okay, anyway. So you can go down to that half circle again, and then we're going to do selective color, make sure it's on red, and then if you slide the top one to the blue, you can see how it dulls it, and the same with the second slider. You can go back down to the half circle, and then do hue saturation, click on the red, then down the lightness, and that dulls it. And then I click through the eyes, and I hide and toggle it back on to show you like how the redness is affected. Then I go back in our selective color, go to the black, and just down that a bit. Then I go back with another color balance, and I'm sliding through the sliders just a tiny bit, not too much, because it's looking good. It's looking good now, so we don't need to go overboard and try to over fix it. Once we get to a good point, we're good. I'm gonna put that in a folder. I'm gonna toggle it off, toggle it back on, and you can see how just a little bit of fixing can really do justice and bring out the PSD. But yeah, that's it. So you're done.